Hello, I'm Axel Scheffler. I'm the illustrator of the Gruffalo and many other books, and I do really like tiny books, and I've made some before. I made this tiny version of the Gruffalo for my daughter's doll's house, but I haven't illustrated all of it. And sometimes I make small versions of the books that I do with Julia Donaldson, like this one, Snail and the Whale, and it's a little dummy where I illustrated the whole book in a very small version, and sometimes I print little stories as well. So this one is called The Pessimist. But now, for the British Library, I made this little book, and it's called Fipsy and the Corona Crisis. And I'm going to read it to my toys, as I was asked to do. And it goes like this. Fipsy is a little squirrel who lives with her mum in a hollow tree. One day, there are worrying news. There's a dangerous illness. We have to stay indoors. Fipsy cannot go to school. Fipsy's very upset. But I want to go to school. I want to see my friends. I want to learn, says Fipsy. But you never wanted to learn things. I can teach you. Two plus two, 7. Acorn, walnut. Now we do some exercise. Spread your limbs and jump. All right. Now I'm bored. All the others in my class have mobile phones, except me. I know. You can get your paints and paper and paint a rainbow. Fipsy gets out her paints and paper and paints a beautiful rainbow. How do the colors go? Fipsy's mum says she's very proud of Fipsy. She puts her picture up. It cheers up the other animals. The next morning, Fipsy has another idea for a picture. One day, it will all be over. The end. Thank you. Bye-bye.